Indian Armed Forces veterans have a question for the Hindi film stars who garner a lot of love from across the country. But in a moment like this, were our film stars too silent? Silent than usual? Should they have spoken up? And is it fair to question our film stars? This is the top general who has enough experience and expertise when it comes to Kashmir, Lieutenant General Dhillon, who has said and basically asked, "Kahan ho bhai log? Where are you? The country's been fighting a war, or there are war clouds around us." Then he goes on to end it with, "Don't worry, we're going to meet on Friday." And he said it for a reason. Remember, the past few days after an elaborate silence from our film stars, there's been a few upcoming releases. Posters and teasers have been put out. Now, the top general is saying that at this juncture, that there should have been at least some more reactions, comments, moment of unity, especially against Pakistan. But there was clearly, after a day or two, extreme silence you could sense on social media. Selfish superstars, or are we targeting for soft targets? So here's what happened. Remember that Lieutenant General Dhillon doesn't need any introduction. He's command in Kashmir. He understands what it means to be able to really fight directly against Pakistan-sponsored terror. And he's been someone who's, even after he's hung his boots, has been constantly contributing when it comes to India's national security. And he has a question, and it sounds like a fairly valid question. Should our stars have spoken up much more? Because remember, they are the biggest influencers right now. And is the silence that came along was just perhaps tone deaf, soft right now because they didn't want to garner any attention? This is, remember, compared to, there were quite a few Pakistan film stars who had a lot to say with regard to supporting their own country. Or there is another side to the debate that says film stars are just soft targets. Why are they being questioned on this?